So this net is the net of a prism. It has two bases. The bases are triangles, so this is the net of a triangular prism. So we have two basic shapes on this one. We have these two triangles, which are identical, and because it's an equilateral triangle, the three sides that would touch the triangles are equal. So let's start with our three rectangles here. We have this one, and this one. Duplicate rectangles. So rectangle, area of a rectangle is base times height. So our two measurements in our rectangle are 6 and 11. So we have 6 times 11. We always put our substitution here where we just write what numbers we're going to use and what math we're going to do before we do anything else. So we have A equals 66, and we want to remember that we have 3 of those. So this one is 66, this one is 66, and this one is 66. Now we're going to switch to our triangles. Our triangles that we have here are this triangle, and this triangle. And those two triangles are, in fact, identical. So I'm going to draw a little triangle here to help me remember, and we have 2 of those. Formula for the area of a triangle, always start with your formula. 1/2 times base times height. Substituting our numbers for our letters, our two measurements here. This says the triangle height right here is 4. And the base of the triangle is going to be the same as the side of this rectangle. So our two measurements here are 6 and 4. So 6 times 4 is 24, and half of that is 12. Now we could take half anywhere, really. Half of 6 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Or we could take the half of the 4 and say half of 4 is 2 times 6 is 12. So let's go ahead and write this one is 12 and this one is 12. So now that we have all our math done, we need to add our areas. So we have 66 plus 66 plus 66. Or we could do 66 times 3. We should get 198 for either one of those. And then we have our 12 plus 12 for our triangles to give us 24. We're going to add those together, and we get 222. Our unit of measure is inches, so we're going to write that down as inches squared, and that's our answer.